A good question here. What is the best place to source information on neighborhoods? Guys, would have been way harder 15 years ago. You might have had to make phone calls. You might have had to call economic development departments in cities and towns that you are wanting to invest in. But now you can go on the internet and you can look up that town or that neighborhood, for the most part, that city, and you can start doing a lot of research just right there. Go to, like, I was the other day looking at a lot in the town of Devon. So what did I do? Oh, and the town of Kalmar. And so what I did is I went onto the town website, went to the economic development, found out what all is happening, what is coming to the town, what zoning changes are being made. You can find out all of that sort of stuff online now. And so just do a little research depending on what town or neighborhood you're looking to invest in. That's the best place to source it. Just do a little research on Google and you'll find it. What websites are credible? Most like city and town websites are fairly credible. They're going to share with you the facts and stats about that particular market. We have used RBC Economics as well. I don't know the exact URL for that one. We have used CMHC, although that information is sometimes a little bit outdated. It's information from 6 months or a year ago, sometimes 2 years ago. Some of those outlooks are not updated super regular. But as Eric is saying here, the township websites are great for upcoming developments. Absolutely. So those are some places you can start, and just Google that market. So I'll give you an example. If your market is Calgary, Alberta, just put in there economic development Calgary, Alberta, and you're going to get a few options. The City of Calgary website, for example, the Government of Alberta website, and you can start pulling some information straight from there. Okay. That will help you with market research. And a lot of the market research, guys, that you do is also going to come from other investors that are actually investing in those markets. And that ties in again with what we were talking about, is connecting with other investors and networking. A lot of the answers to your questions about what markets are doing, what vacancies are like, how are their properties performing? Are they rented quickly? What kind of tenants are they getting? Those are questions that you're going to be able to get answered from networking with other investors. Okay, so it does take a little bit of work to do the analyzing, guys, a little bit of digging to do that analyzing. But the more work and digging you do, the more you're going to educate yourself, the more you're going to learn, and the easier it will become.